Chances are, if you told the waiter, "There's a fly in my soup," this chef may have put it there on purpose. Lenny is a 1-year-old central bearded dragon who now has his own cookbook. Owner Valerie Musser, an actual chef and caterer in the Seattle area before COVID hit, decided to make Lenny the face of her collection of recipes. Fear not, you won't be chowing down on the same grub, or grubs in fact, that Lenny enjoys. The book is Chef Lenny, Cooking for Humans. Valerie says it became her pandemic project to put together the dozens and dozens of comfort food recipes she had from the past decade. She said Lenny got the nod for the cover after she bought him a little chef's hat, since the kitchen is apparently his favorite place to be. Valerie shared photos of this cold-blooded cook online, and she says the response was wonderful, with some people telling her it really made their day. More than just the hat, and let's face it, that's a big part of this, Valerie says Lenny really has a chef's personality, joking that he's very pretentious, saying he's a food snob, and when he doesn't like something, he'll just glare. Chef Lenny's cookbook is available on Etsy and Amazon.